Lexus Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, Lexus Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, hello. Super sunny day. What is up? It is a very sunny day. I am sweating. As you can see, some new things. My hair is a little bit short. I actually am using a different lens, and yeah, that's it. That's all that's new. Today's video is a come thrifting with me, but I am going to try. I have actually tried to do this before, like multiple times, and every time I just like fail very hard. I want to do a thrift flip so bad. So actually what I'm wearing right now was a massive t-shirt. I cut it, made it a v-neck. My expectations are really low. So hopefully they go high. I got my coffee. I'm kind of in a sour mood today. I'm not in a bad mood, and I'm not in a like great mood, but I'm a sour mood. Anyway, let's go into the thrift store. So I'm definitely just looking for like really oversized t-shirts. I feel like it's a really like good day to film this because I'm honestly not finding anything. I feel like that's just I was hoping I would find like something with sweatshirts at least, because I usually always do, and I still like nothing. I definitely have like a pretty good amount. I'm just looking at the shoes right now and I got messed up in there. I'm gonna probably try it on and see. I didn't find that much. Like I said, I'm just like in that sour mood and nothing is cute, which happens. I did want to show you guys my outfit though. What I'm wearing. I got my secondhand creepers. I got these pants that I got in my last thrift with me. I DIY'd this crop top, and then I just have a Brandy Melville necklace, and yeah. So let's try this on. Alright, so honestly, worst thrift trip I've probably ever done. I did find two things, and I am gonna like DIY them. So I'll show you guys that, but like I have a really bad headache. I'm not feeling good. It's super hot. It's just real life. I think what I'm gonna do is eat some food. Then I'm gonna hit up Plato's Closet and see what I can find just to make this video a little bit more interesting, because only thrifting two things I think is quite boring. I think when I go there it may not be like a thrift flip, but I just kind of want to see what stuff they have, because I actually haven't been in quite a while, and I was going to, oops, ow. Okay, I will talk to you guys after I eat some food. Got some fuel in me, so I'm gonna go into Plato's Closet. Fingers crossed I find something. I don't know. I think I'm kind of looking for more like tank tops, just because I thought I had a lot, but like I could use more. Like a skort. What is that? I have no idea. Okay, so I didn't film a bunch, but I got a couple items. This whole thrifting trip, I mean, honestly, I think it's me. I just was not in the mood. But I'm going to head home and then show you guys what I got, because I did get stuff. I did, so yeah. I mean, maybe it's good because I didn't spend that much money, but. All right, we are back home. I put on a sweatshirt. I am like a little, just kind of done with today. Nevertheless, I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and just be real, like not every thrift trip is amazing and I find all this stuff. Honestly, I'm surprised I even found this much stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Savers first, which is this wolf sweatshirt, which like sweatshirts always, as you can see, I love them. I will wear them in summer, I don't care. Air conditioning. This was only $4.49 and it just has wolves on them. Winnemucca, Nevada, and I just thought it was really cool. I'm definitely gonna wear it. I love gray. I am going to crop it, so I think I'm gonna cut it maybe right there. Wear with some like high-waisted jeans. I know I'll be wearing this. It's super cool. Love wolves, so. Oh, I just realized it has like two wolves like kissing each other. That's so cute. Then I got just a plain black shirt for $1.49. This was in a large and it's a plain black boring shirt, which are one of my favorite things to thrift. This one I am going to do the same thing. I'm just going to crop it. I just take scissors and freehand it. Then I went to Pluto's Closet. As you guys saw, I tried to film as much as possible, but today was just like a pop-in time to go to every single thrift store where I live. I did get something striped. They had so many striped things, and I feel like I almost fell back in love with stripes, which I haven't purchased in quite a while. I stopped myself though. I definitely could have gotten more, but I didn't really need to get more. This is just a gray and black striped shirt. It was originally from H&M and I got it for $5 right on the dot, and I don't really have a gray and black striped shirt. I'm like thinking in my head how to make me seem not as crazy for just owning so many striped things. Then I got a skirt. What? Honestly, out of everything, regardless of me not finding a bunch, this item just alone I feel like was completely worth it. It's originally from a company called Forenza. It was $10, which is a little bit on the more expensive side, but it's a skirt, like shorts in the back, skirt in the front. Say what? The only thing that kind of sucks about this skirt, about this skirt, is they have these side buttons and I have to undo the buttons and redo them every time I put them on and off. So just imagine like, oh, I gotta pee real quick. Oh, let me just unbutton every single one. It's gonna be a pain, but I love it. It's cute, it's different. I don't really like skirts because they like fly up and stuff. I love shorts, but I just want something like, you know, in between, like the skirt. It's amazing. It's like a spork, you know, spoon, fork, you're good. But yeah, that is what I got. I figured because this video was already gonna be like a midweek video, I'm gonna do a much bigger, awesome come thrifting with me on Sunday, this Sunday. I feel like this is kind of perfect, again, to show the real of like actually thrifting, because it's not always amazing, like I said. If you guys do enjoy thrift videos though, make sure that you subscribe right down below, hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at AlexSunshine83 to keep up to date with me during the week when I'm not on here and all that jazz. Yeah. Pew, pew. I hope you guys do have a wonderful day. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye.